When you think of raising money for a project, terms like IPO, ICO, and STO are loaded on your search result. These, along with the other famous cryptocurrencies, are splashed all over the internet. Ever wondered what they actually mean? Let's find out. The latest and the most trusted means of raising funds in the market right now is undeniably through STO. So, what exactly is an STO? An STO, or a security token offering, is a means to raise funds or capital by issuing shares of a company. Why do investors love STO? They get to enjoy some financial privileges like dividend payments, profit sharing, buyback, and voting rights. How is an STO the next big thing? STO encourage accredited investors to invest in tokens. It provides the investor with security and minimal risks. STO come in three forms. There are equity token offerings, that issue tokens backed by stock in a company, and therefore give equal voting rights to token holders. Another one is asset tokenization, that offers tokens that are backed by tangible assets, such as gold, real estate, and art. The third is debt tokens, that entitle token holders to receive repayments of the loan. Are you thinking of starting your own STO? Check out Blockchain App Factory for the best STO development services.